You can have a seat. You can have a seat. You can have a seat over here. Okay. Pardon me? All right. Good morning. I am so happy that you're here today. Today is a very special day in the life of the church. Today we take a bit of time to remember a guy named Francis who lived a really, really long time ago, and he had a very special relationship with God's creatures, the animals. And so we're going to take just a moment today to celebrate and say thank you to God for all of the animals in our lives that make our lives a bit better. And so we have just a few of the animals that our congregation holds so dear in front of us. And so I want us to say the names of all the ones up here that we recognize. Okay? So, and as we do, I'll make sure that we've got all of the names on the list. So, who do we have here? Lily. This is Lily and Kona. Lily and Kona. And I think we have both of them. Good. All right. And this is Lucky. Lucky. This is Pam. The full name, please. Full Christian name.
Sir Chocolate Licks a Lot.
Sir Chocolate Licks a Lot. Sir Chocolate Licks a Lot. All right. And who do we have here? This is Rocky. Oh, we need to make sure Rocky is on our list for today. All right, we have Rocky. And who do we have here?
That Gobo, and that my sister called. And that my sister's cat called.
Okay, so we have Rose. Rose. Oh, let's have a seat, okay? Thank you. Rose, Gobo, and the one your sister caught.
No,
Cosmo. Oh, okay. Cosmo.
That's his name. And I know that is
okay.
this dog's name, so can you tell me?
I would be glad to tell you what that dog's name is. Leah, could you have a seat quickly? Thank you. All right, Alana, can you tell us the name of these dogs?
Carl, Nala.
Carl?
Call.
Call, C-A-L-L?
No. Call. He said call.
I'm not from Massachusetts.
His name is Carl.
Call. Okay, C-A-R-L. Great.
Carl, Nala, Honor, Maddie, Jade.
Nala, Honor, Maddie, and Jade. All right. Are there any others that we want to name today?
Sausage.
Yeah, Nelia, what question do you have?
When I gotta buy a dog, but my mom will buy me a dog because I want to buy a princess car.
You want to buy a princess instead of a dog?
No,
oh, okay.
I want to buy a princess car.
Oh, a princess car. Oh, instead of a dog. So why? Some might not like you. So, why do we have animals in our lives? Yeah, why do we? Because they're cute. Okay, what else? To protect us. Because they're cute, to protect us. Why else do we have animals in our lives? To use as pillows? Okay. Why do we have animals in our lives?
Well, number one, because...
Just a second. You can, go ahead.
Number one, because a certain dog named Jade is pumping sausage.
With the animals.
Okay.
Lots of stuff. But also to know that, to also make funny jokes about, because when you slash, because when you like, because certain dogs and stuff, that makes a lot of noise.
So dogs are good companions, ultimately. Nelia, why do we have animals in our lives?
Because when animals run, they kind of really need some exercise.
Ah, so they can exercise and so that we can exercise.
And they can also eat anything, so.
Good.
And you can pet any single pet you like.
That's very true. So Nelia said that we can pet the pets, and animals give us. So why do we have animals? They're furry. That's right, and we can pet them because they give us companionship. They give us someone to hold on to when we might not have someone else. So let's gather around all of these. And they're awesome. That is the best reason of all. Okay, so let's all stand up and hold hands. Okay, let's stand up. Let's hold hands. And let's, okay. Okay, we're going to stand next to her cat. That's fine. All right, and then we're going to offer a special prayer and where you'll repeat after me. And then I will say the names of the animals, okay? Are you ready? Okay, you ready? Let's pray. Loving God, thank you for animals and all they mean to us. They are a sign of your love. We pray special blessings on. Now I'm going to read the list. You don't have to say them all, okay? We pray special blessings on Lucky, Mittens, Sir Chocolate Licks-a-Lot, Lily Jean Stanley, Kona Jean Stanley, Maddie, Carl, Honor, Jade, Nyla, Nala, Ka, Rocky, Rose, Gobo, and Cosmo. Amen. Amen. All right. You can return to your seats. We'll stay. Thank you.